So in the past, the way we would solve this is we would do an if statement, right? So let me just remove will from now. And in here, I'm also going to minimize this. So it's just Andre Pokemon object. And in here, instead of doing what we've done here, we would do if and say Andre Pokemon dot Pikachu, and if Andre Pokemon dot Pikachu dot wait. Let's make this a little bit smaller so we can see. Then we want to create wait2 variable. Otherwise, let wait2 equals undefined. So by doing this, we won't get that error. So we can check to see if Andre has Pikachu. So if I copy this over, let me just remove this from now. If I copy this over, hit enter, I get no errors. And if I add console logs in here, run this again, you see that I get undefined because, well, it will realize that Andre Pokemon object doesn't contain Pikachu. So this is actually pretty annoying to do. And you'll see often code bases have something like this and then do Andre Pokemon, and they keep checking. Does this exist? Does this object exist? Does this object exist? So on and so forth. So the cool thing about optional chaining is that, well, it avoids this complication. So I can change this to say let wait3 equal Andre Pokemon. I can say, is there an object? And then do Pikachu. Is there an object or a property of Andre Pokemon that is Pikachu? And then do dot wait. So by doing this, check this out. If I do console log wait, and I copy this, I get the same thing. I get undefined because it checks all of these, and eventually, because Pikachu cannot be found in this object, it's going to assign undefined to wait3 without throwing any errors. But if I did have Pikachu, and I try this again, you'll see that I get 30. So everything is working. So instead of having those long if statements, I can just check for properties with this question mark. Very, very cool. Now, this video is getting long, so let's take a pause, and then we're going to visit nullish coalescing in the next video.